Have you ever wondered why some channels explode effortlessly while yours feels like a slow-motion trudge through quicksand, even though you're doing everything the experts swear by? Because for countless creators, that unanswered question becomes the silent weight that slows every upload, every idea, every attempt at momentum. And that struggle doesn't start on the surface. It starts deep inside the creator's day-to-day reality. You sit in front of your analytics dashboard, watching lines that never seem to move. You refresh the page as if the algorithm might suddenly show mercy. You tell yourself that maybe you just need one more tutorial, one more hack, one more strategy video promising overnight growth. And yet, nothing changes, not really. And you begin to feel it, that creeping, heavy frustration that whispers, maybe this just isn't meant for you. Most creators don't talk about that feeling. They bury it under motivation quotes, empty discipline advice, or performative, grind speeches that pretend that the struggle is a badge of honor. But when the camera is off, when the room is quiet, when the numbers haven't moved for the 30th day in a row, the doubt becomes almost physical. It's the doubt of someone trying, truly trying, without understanding why the effort doesn't convert into growth. And that's where the real break happens. Not because the creator is lazy, not because they're unskilled, but because they're following advice that quietly expired years ago. See, most YouTube rules are ghosts. Old strategies dressed up as new wisdom. Systems built for an algorithm that no longer exists. Creators here. Upload more. Make better thumbnails. Crank up your watch time. Just be consistent. And while those things matter, none of them fix the core issue. The reason most channels never grow is brutally simple. They don't understand the emotional story behind why people click and why people stay. Because YouTube doesn't reward uploads, it rewards belief. Belief that the viewer will get something meaningful. Belief that the creator understands them. Belief that clicking is worth the next 8 minutes of their life. And belief is built the exact same way every story is built, by inviting the viewer into a struggle they recognize. That's why the sleek, heroic thumbnails sometimes underperform. They tell the aspirational story, not the relatable one. The real magnetic pull comes from reflecting the viewer's own frustration back at them, the tension, the confusion, the "what the hell am I doing wrong?" that every creator has felt, and every viewer who wants to grow a channel understands instantly. It's why the contrast between the title, "Struggling," and a face staring at terrible analytics is so powerful. It taps straight into the emotional truth. People click when they feel understood. And here's the twist that most creators miss. Your viewer isn't looking for information. They're looking for someone who sees their struggle and can translate it into a path out, not through data, but through clarity. That's what turns spectators into subscribers. That's what turns watchers into believers. Once you frame your content around belief instead of tactics, something shifts. Your tone changes. Your confidence changes. Your presence changes. And viewers feel it immediately. Because people don't follow the creator with the best tips. They follow the creator who makes them believe they can win. Which brings us back to you, and that question I asked at the beginning of this video. Earlier, I asked you why some channels explode effortlessly while yours feels stuck. Now you know the truth. It's not your effort, it's the story you've been taught to tell. Change the story, and the growth finally follows.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.